For our provincial news, in response to the rising cases of violence against women and children in the Philippines, information officers were urged to deepen their understanding of the anti-VAWC law and its implementation. A sapit from the Philippine Information Agency, Mimaropa, tells us more.
Information officers must be well-versed in Republic Act 9262 or the Anti-Violence Against Women and Their Children or VAWC Act to effectively combat gender-based violence and support survivors, a gender rights advocate said. During the Bridging the Gap Women's Empowerment and Public Sector Communication Forum organized by the Philippine Information Agency, lawyer Jean Phoebe G. De Mesa, head of the Provincial Gender and Development or GAD Technical Working Group, called for a more proactive and legally informed approach among government communicators. She said that gaps in knowledge often result in missed opportunities for intervention and can even perpetuate stigma or misinformation, pointing out that communication must be grounded in the law if we want it to be a force for change. The forum gathered information officers from various national government agencies to discuss how strategic messaging can advance gender equality and safeguard women and children from violence. PIA Mimaropa head Hemin B. Guillermo stressed the unique influence of public communicators in shaping community attitudes and driving behavioral change. Guillermo called on the information officers to not only relay statistics and policy updates but to humanize stories of survivors and promote services available to them. The participants shared insights and best practices in integrating gender-responsive messaging into daily communication work. The forum concluded with a renewed commitment among participants to strengthen gender advocacy through informed, strategic communication.
The organizers of the forum, led by PIA Oriental Mindoro, emphasized that sustained education, collaboration, and policy literacy are essential in transforming government communicators into frontline allies in the fight against violence and inequality. From the Philippine Information Agency, Mimaropa, a sapit for Balitang Pambansa.